Customize the infotainment to suit your needs. Drag up to 6 functions to the bottom bar. You can do the same for the top bar to have everything close at hand. You can easily activate the seat massage functions on the infotainment display. Select one of the 8 programs, its duration, and intensity for your maximum comfort. You can also set up your own wake-up phrase that'll activate your voice assistant Laura. For example, "Hello, car." The voice assistant Laura can help with many things for your pleasant drive, such as navigating you to any destination you like. Use the predefined Smart Climate functions like warm hands to adjust the climate in the car. Fan speed can be easily changed with the middle smart dial. In the infotainment system, you can also set the ambient lighting to suit your mood. Pick one color for the dashboard and doors and another for the footwells. You can also set the brightness for each lighting element. Everything lit the way you like. We wish you a pleasant drive in your new Škoda.